It's pamper time! Tara sa Casa Bella Wellness Center, located at Fairview, Quezon City. Pagpasok pa lang ang ganda, so cozy at ang ganda ng place. Here's the massage room, ang Casa Bella Salon, and the lounge area kung saan yung nail station. Super ganda ng place, as in so relaxing. Here naman yung beauty and treatment room nila. And today, samahan niyo ako for my pamper time. And for my first session, gel manicure. Ang gaan ng kamay ni Ate, ang bilis niya gumawa. Look ang ganda ng nails ko. Enjoy talaga ako when it comes to my nails. Next naman tayo for my hair color. It's medium brown. Kudos naman dyan sa stylist nila, si Sir JD. Yung feeling na pamper time pero parang nasa bahay ka lang. And next naman is the Caravan. My super dry hair. Ang ganda ng outcome, no? After 3 days, pwede ko na siya paliguan. And konting trim lang for the sweetness. So, ayan, tapos and na. While waiting, dito naman tayo sa MYO. You can order your snacks and drinks here. In fairness, masarap yung food nila. Kaya enjoy for the last session, yung eyebrow tint naman. This will last a week. Pero depende na din sa iyo yun. Kaya visit na din kayo dito sa Casa Bella Wellness Center. Pamper Day achieved talaga. Thank you for watching. Visit Facebook and IG for more information.